Dr. Michael.
Michael.
A is for Alvin. Persky.
There we go.
My dad liked the chipmunks. Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Persky. I'm a facial plastic surgeon in Encino, California. It's hard for me to say what my patients would say about me. I think they would say that I'm kind-hearted and real and a friend.
Real patient reviews from your household profile.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm kind of like an actor who doesn't like watching himself, so I haven't read these reviews. Michael Persky MD is kind, caring, and knowledgeable. Is the kindest and most trustworthy doctor I've ever met. Thank you. Is simply the best. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I humbly thank you. I feel honored having read what patients have said about me. We're all snowflakes. We're not commodities, we're people. I think our patients have to be themselves, and as physicians, we need to be ourselves. Without artistic vision, natural artistic vision, you can have technical success, yet aesthetic failure. And I pride myself in a natural artistic vision that makes my patients and I very happy and proud of what we create.